Me not teach hype, me not teach floss. Me teach blueprint for rise above loss. From likkle zinc shop to a plaza empire. From boardhouse rental to political fire. Cris-Tek said, watch the plan careful. First you chop a little paper, don't squander and flex and rave, yeah. Then you see everything silence, discipline stock, foundation for brave, yeah. Open a corner shop, buy nut, flour, sugar, rice, repeat it twice. Reinvest the profit, expansion precise. Take the earnings, buy a piece of land, lock it before it slip. Build 2 boardhouse, pan it, start rent. Every week money drip, use that same current, fill light up a bigger idea. Register business, make it legal, blueprint start get clear. Expand on, spend floss, yeah. Me say badness teach me discipline, but me switch the lane for progress. Every shot me fire in the past, me no convert into business process. Instead of bullet, me push receipt. Instead of war, me manage supply chain. Every corner shop me plant become a route that break poverty chain. See a little tuck shop on the roadside can turn to 2 in a 6 months. If you reinvest all the gain instead of floss by any system. And the first land you buy can't be for brag, can't be for sure. It for yank your children name so them can't be evicted tomorrow. Boardhouse on that land can't just be shelter for family alone. Turn them into rent units, constant cash flow, the system overthrown. Poor man always did rent, never own, me say flip the script, collect the rent, own the deed, plant the tree, legacy equip. Ownership is power. Old flash it now, spend the shower. No, me say when you reach that stage, link the hustlers who think like you. Put all money in a private pot, me call it a ghetto credit bureau. If 3 man drop 100 and 5 man drop 5, that 6-0 pot become a bank where keep the whole crew alive. Instead of the bank, the commercial bank we laugh in a ghetto face. We farm, we own bank for finance, we own dream, we own place. Plaza money no drop from sky, it drop from collective hands. Each year a brick, each loan a seed, blueprint for build with lands. Plaza rent lock steady, shopkeeper pay monthly you eat. Barber chair, boutique, phone shop, every tenant keep the street. First plaza spawn, second plaza breed, third generation wealth rise up like prophecy come to word. Unity, discipline, power. Greed, envy, devour. Housing scheme is the battlefield, me generals listen me call. Can't build for 1 man alone, build scheme where shelter them all. 10 boardhouse turn to concrete, 2 scheme grow to 5. Suddenly get to look like suburb, that's how we keep hope alive. Each rent check for poor back in 2 come true and crew. Me say every nail hammer is a bullet we never fire through. Every rooftop race is a shield against police raid. Every housing scheme is a weapon, intelligent badness upgrade. Imagine plaza money crossbreed with scheme rent. Cash flowing at the millions for community development. From barber to baker, mechanic to seamstress. Everybody pump payroll, blueprint can't miss. But me the prophecy not done, it extend to the parliament seat. GLP and PNP can't God get the principle, youth beat the street. We send bright youth to college with sponsorship from we bank. Lawyers, teachers, engineers, soldier cadre for the flank. Some infiltrate GLP, some invade the PNP ground. Others build new party where righteous principles surround. Private bank fund campaign, plaza sponsor the bill. Housing scheme, house the voters, we take the system still. See me brethren, me not talk fairy tale or pipe dream. Me say blueprint is mathematics, me say ownership supreme. Them target get off the extermination, we answer with multiplication. From zinc fence to nation state, Cris-Tek deliver the calculation. Step 1, chop and save, no hype, no rave. Step 2, open shop, reinvest, brave. Step 3, duplicate till you get 4 strong. Step 4, buy land, boardhouse we belong. Step 5, rent unit, make dollar stretch long. Step 6, professional biz, for keep income strong. Step 7, private bank, hustler link tight. Step 8,